Thank you for tuning in to another video. This video is all about networking. What is so special about networking? Why is it important? And how do I use network to help promote my business, to help improve my business, and to also get awareness about my business? So tune in and you will find all the information that you need. What is networking? Networking is the exchange of information or ideas among people that have a common goal or interest. And normally, or most times, it is that network effort that yields the most results in your business, that gets you new customers, get your business out there and known to people. To reap the reward of networking, you have to understand the benefits that you can get from networking and how they help your business, whether it be in sales, whether it be just in awareness, people knowing about you, or whether it be getting information that will help your business to mature, grow, or reform in some way. How does networking actually work? So the first thing you need to do is get yourself in a group where they are seeking out the same thing as you, or go to events that you know people are gonna be at that are just like you. New business owners that are looking for new customers, that are looking for information to better their business, or they just want to build awareness about their business. So for professionals, the best networking opportunities are normally at trade shows, webinars, conference. These are designed to attract a large number of like-minded people. So this is the best place to get yourself in and around. So as a little Jamaican, I coming out of big America, I knew little to no one. So the first thing I started to do was to research, where can I find people that are like me? Where can I find customers that want the same stuff I am actually selling? So I started to register for pop-up events, and let me tell you, one of my best suppliers to date, I found out about them from a pop-up event, and it was somebody that was there doing their own little thing, having their own little booth and selling their own products, that told me about. I went over and I saw her selling some cute bags, and I was like, girl, where you got these from? And she said, girl, let's just do our business here and I'll give you the 411 after. So that's how I got one of my best suppliers. So again, I tell you, I can testify that networking gets you far. It gets you knowing the right people that you need to. And let me say this, you have to first know what you want from it. Figure out the best place to be and the best people, places that you need to be that can give you the best results, the people that you need to be around. So you can't just dive into every single thing that you see out there, every single group, every single event. You have to first figure out if this event is what you are looking for, if it lines up with your business, okay? So don't just go around and download app on your phone, join all these groups. No, make a plan first. Sit down and figure out what is your goal, the type of industry that you are in, and who are like you. What are the goals they are searching for? Does it line up with yours? And that's how you get the best results from networking. And another thing I tell people all the time, have at least one social media account and keep posting. Keep posting the latest that is going on in your business, the things that you need to know, the 411 on your field, in your field, whatever you want to say or however you want to say it. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And it got me over 600 followers on my YouTube channel. So I'm telling you, it works. Trust me. Stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you have the notification bell turned on, so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Stay real. Peace out.